Hey drivers! Today, we're exploring the top 5 dash cams for 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, a reliable dash cam is a must-have. Join us as we break down the best options, covering video quality, features, and overall performance. Let's find the ultimate dash cam together. Buckle up and let's roll. Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel. Kicking off our list is the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. The Vantrue N4 Pro redefines dash cams with its cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, offering flawless 4K resolution in all modes. Equipped with 4K HDR Sony Starvis 2 Super Night Vision and HDR technology, it excels in low-light conditions, delivering precise and detailed night shots. The dashcam's 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and OTA firmware updates ensure seamless connectivity, while its 4 parking modes provide around-the-clock protection. With 4K plus 1080p 2-channel recording, the N4 Pro adapts to your needs, monitoring the front, interior, and rear simultaneously. The cabin camera, featuring a wide aperture lens and infrared LEDs, guarantees clarity even in total darkness. The dashcam stands out with hands-free voice control and an optional anti-glare CPL for added convenience and optimal video quality. Boasting reliable accident recording features, the N4 Pro includes a G sensor for instant video locking during collisions and dual capacitors for durability in extreme temperatures. Its parking mode, with buffered motion detection, saves SD card space by avoiding unnecessary recordings. While the N4 Pro offers exceptional image quality and a rich feature set, its larger size and premium price point should be considered. Overall, the Vantrue N4 Pro is the epitome of advanced dashcam performance. Meet the Red Tiger Dashcam. The Red Tiger F7N Plus Dual Dashcam, capturing an impressive 4K and FHD 1080p resolutions with a wide 170-degree front and 140-degree rear angle. This sleek device ensures clarity for road details and minimizes blind spots, crucial for evidence in unexpected events like collisions. Enhanced by superior night vision, it features an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6-layer optical lens with HDR and WDR technology for clear details in low-light conditions. Connect seamlessly to the Red Tiger app for Wi-Fi and smart app control, enabling easy viewing, playback, management, and sharing of recorded videos on iOS or Android devices. With built-in GPS, track your driving route, real-time speed, and location, providing valuable evidence in case of accidents. The dashcam's reliable features include loop recording, a G sensor for collision footage, and a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function. Red Tiger dashcams are renowned for high-quality video recording using high-resolution sensors. For those who want maximum coverage, the Rove R2 4K dashcam is a game-changer. It sets a new standard with its impressive 2160 Ultra HD video recording quality, delivering unparalleled clarity and sharpness. Particularly noteworthy is the revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, ensuring clearer footage and images even in low-light conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Rove app provide seamless access to dashcam recordings on both iOS and Android devices, enabling swift 4K video downloads to smartphones at a speedy 6 MB per second. Sharing memorable moments on social media becomes effortless. The built-in GPS accurately records driving location and speed, allowing users to review routes and trackers on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or the dedicated GPS player. Enjoy hassle-free firmware upgrades via the Rove app, ensuring your device is always up to date. Packed with features like a super capacitor, f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, 150 degrees, A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and support for up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed micro SD cards. The Rove R24K offers top-tier performance. Its 4K resolution excels in optimal lighting conditions, making it ideal for capturing scenic drives, license plates, or accidents. While the interface may pose a slight learning curve, the Rove R24K's reliability in recording 3-minute clips automatically and its user-friendly larger LCD screen make it a standout choice, especially for those prioritizing quality content for social media and seeking peace of mind on the road. Introducing the Toolite Dashcam, a versatile 3-channel camera system that excels in capturing high-quality videos across various perspectives. With the ability to record up to full HD 2K in the front, this dashcam simultaneously monitors the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle, ensuring comprehensive road coverage. This innovative design enhances night vision and delivers clear and crisp images and videos, making it a valuable tool for unexpected situations such as collisions. It offers dual recording capabilities, capturing video in Ultra HD 2K+ Full HD 1080p resolutions. Boasting a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 110 degrees, it minimizes blind spots and helps retain critical details like road signs and vehicle number plates. In the event of an unforeseen circumstance, such as a collision, the dashcam aids in retaining and presenting evidence. Seamless connectivity is facilitated through the Voyager app, allowing users to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on iOS or Android devices via Wi-Fi. The app also enables video download and editing, with the convenience of sharing travel scenery and highlights directly to social media platforms. The inclusion of a free 64 GB microSD card, which automatically initiates recording upon starting the car and stops upon turning it off, ensures continuous coverage. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites past unlocked videos, optimizing storage. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, the dashcam responds to collisions by automatically locking and retaining the video, preventing overwrites. The Toolite Dual Dashcam front and rear is a budget-friendly option, recording in 1080p resolution at both the front and rear. Now we presenting the Vmint Dashcam. Featuring an advanced Starvis sensor and a 6-glass lens for the front dash camera. With a wide 160 degrees angle, it records crystal clear QHD 2560 by 1440 pixel video, ensuring sharp details of license plates and road signs. The ultra-large f1.6 aperture and 6-layer lens, coupled with DVDR technology, enhance night vision by balancing exposure in extreme dark scenarios for clear and sharp footage. Effortlessly manage recordings with the app on your iOS and Android devices. The dashcam's Wi-Fi functionality enables fast downloads and easy sharing of videos on social media, providing a perfect solution for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy, the dashcam is designed to withstand temperatures from -40 Fahrenheit to 185 Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal performance even in extreme conditions. Its compact and discreet design ensures it won't obstruct your view while driving. The Vmint Dashcam is an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking a reliable dash camera with good video quality and essential features. Its easy installation, user-friendly interface, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it a convenient option for capturing and sharing important footage. Thanks for joining us on our journey to find the best dash cam. We hope this guide helped you pick the perfect one for your needs. Remember, a quality dash cam enhances your driving experience and adds an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more reviews. Have you picked your dash cam or have questions? Share in the comments below. Drive safe, capture every moment, and thanks for watching.